know. House of Slytherin realness. Stick. I don't even know. Honestly, I didn't even plan for this look. I just went. Literally, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna do a video today, and I'm gonna use this green because the green is so iconic from the Mini Controversy palette, and I have to see for myself to see what is about this green that people are like, oh my god, bitch, oh my fucking gosh, like what is going on? So if you guys are ready to play with this look, keep watching because I'm about to let you know how I did this eye. Oh my god, happy fucking Friday. Is it me? Is it on the quarantine and lockdown? I still get excited for weekends. So hopefully this weekend you guys have a good time and enjoy yourselves and be safe, and always make sure you guys are staying updated with the news on the lockdown, on the coronavirus. Girl, Miss COVID is trying to get us, and I am not about it. I didn't really share this with anyone, but the other day, me and my partner went to go get tested. It was super fast. I came back super negative, and so did he. So I really do want to take this time to let you guys know, if you guys can get tested, just go ahead and get tested. It literally takes not even more than 15 minutes. So that being said, let's get into makeup. Let's play with some cool things today. And I have some new things in the studio. Now, you guys know I am a huge Jeffree Star fan. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetic, and I also love Mr. Shane Dawson. Now, we all know the conspiracy was the palette of 2019. I don't know much about the details on the mysterious green that everybody wanted in the Mini Controversy, but I know there was a green that was like legendary and iconic and everybody wanted it. Now, for anyone out there that's gonna say, a green is green, that's not necessarily true. We're gonna go ahead and try out this new green. Let's go ahead and pull up the entire conspiracy collection. So this is the iconic palette that Shane and Jeffree collaborated together. Opening up, this is the entire lineup. So we obviously, you guys can tell I truly dig into this palette. I'm obsessed with food videos. I love what's to tease. So this palette was definitely one of the most iconic palettes I have in the studio. Also, he did release the Mini Controversy. So this is the miniature. As you guys can see here, I have been using it as well. I've been really addicted to the purple and the blues. Not too much on the upper shades, just because I have like my particular light colors that I run to. But here we guys go. We have the Mini Controversy palette with the green inside. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up right now. I already unboxed this downstairs, but the box literally looks exactly like the packaging. Like, this is the box. So pulling it up, bada bing, bada boom, honey. So there is the iconic green, and it's called Put It Back. And we're gonna be playing with that color today. And I think that's the only color I'm gonna try to focus on today. I really wanna showcase this green to show you guys how stunning it is. So pulling out the older palette, these are the colors. So it's a complete, actually, they're very fucking different. No, they're not. So the only thing that's different is the one, what color's missing? Am I seeing things? Which color's missing? Oh my god, I feel like I'm playing a game. Okay, so I have my boyfriend's purse, Cry on My Couch. Oh, that's the one. I found it. Okay, cool. So putting the old one down, well, not the old one. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So you guys, we have greens, we have purples, we have blues, we have nudes. There's so much in there, so we're gonna be playing that. Also, we do have the legendary, the gloss. So this is the Slime Glossin' Gloss. I might put it on today. I'm not too sure if my eyes are gonna be too green. And then also we do have the Shane Dawson lip scrub. Now, I love lip scrubs. I put them in my shower all the time. I don't really necessarily do it randomly, but when I do shower and exfoliate, this is a part of my exfoliate routine where I usually do the lip scrub. And then last but not least, you guys know I am a sucker for the mirrors. This is the full silver pig mirror that we love. So this is the original, and then this is the other one. So, I mean, obviously these are so cute. So let's get this going. So the other day I posted up a photo. So if I can get that photo posted up right here, of me playing with the cremated palette. I did this eye where it was like this liner kind of thing. So today I got a lot of inboxes about why did I not make this liner a video and showed you guys how to do it. And I felt kind of bad because I did that just, to do the RuPaul's Drag Race review. But a lot of people have requested me to do that. So today we're gonna follow the same kind of shape idea with green and see how that goes. I haven't done that yet. So let's go and get this started. So pulling out the palette, we're gonna be using the mistletoe as a primer. So that being said, I'm gonna get some on my hand. And I've been really honestly using these as primers forever because they just work really well, and also on the lips. So let's go ahead and scope out the eyes. So taking that brush, we're gonna start scoping out that shape, and we're gonna connect it to the bottom. So usually I like to start in the middle, inner corner of the eye. And that way, oh wow, that's actually really pretty as a liner. Oh my god, Jeffree. I love using liquid lipsticks as liners and it just works amazing. I have this thing where if I do it on one side, I have to do the other. I can't just finish one eye and do it. Sometimes I jump my liner around because I want to make sure it's as symmetrical as I can get it. We're trying to do this without cleaning as much as possible. And then don't worry about it being so straight because you're going to connect them and you're gonna blur it out with the shadow. This is almost like a way to kind of outline what you're doing without doing shadow first, which I think it does help. So see, as you guys see here, everything is connected. They're not the best shade ever, but I'm telling you right now, when you start buffing out the liner, oh honey, it's gonna fall into place. Because when I was doing this, I was working with black liquid liner and I was like, what the fuck am I doing? What I'm doing now is I'm taking whatever's left on my hand and I'm just really darkening up that liner. So now you almost look like a little leprechaun Batman. We're gonna go ahead and pull out the shadow and let's finally see what the fuck is going on with this shadow. Everybody was like demanding this green. So I'm very curious. I mean, I'm gonna swatch it for you right now. I mean, that's so pretty. Wow, that's stunning. So I'm gonna do my best to just keep it green today. So taking that brush, we're gonna go ahead and start buffing it into the product and let's go ahead and start shading in that green line. Whoa, okay, I already can see a big fucking difference. Now, when you guys are shading in this line, it's real important to really control your brush. You don't really want to go so nuts and like insane where like you're buffing out so much shadow. You really want to just go very little by little. You want to keep it very clean. The lines are very clean, you know, so you don't really want to spread the shadow all over the place. It shouldn't hit your brow. It should just only be where the line that you just draw with the liquid lipstick. Oh my god, no wonder I already wanted this fucking green. I mean, look at it. Y'all know my channel is not photoshopped. It almost looked like a shiny sticker. Like, I'm not lying. It's like a shiny fucking sticker. So once that's shaded in, let's go ahead and start buffing out the liner, but adding like this shimmer on top. And that is so pretty. OMG, I'm like really excited. And usually by the nose, I like to kind of really buff it out a little bit. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Okay, so a part of me right now wants to add a little different shades of green in it. I'm gonna pull out Morphe. This is the Make and Bank 18B palette. Literally in here, there's different shades of green. I'm just gonna take a little bit and really give it some definition. Let's go ahead and start to kind of deepen up the green. So I'm gonna go into these olive colors to really give it like that extra kick, because I feel like the green by itself, it just wasn't giving me so much definition. I mean, but honestly, the green by itself was so stunning. But you know me, Miss Kimora, bitch, we like to kind of give it the extra mile. That looks really cool too. Oh my god, look at that. I'm like really obsessed. I'm like honestly so happy it came out the way I planned, because sometimes green is like a hit and miss because it can get kind of festive, it can get kind of superhero. But I think once we start to kind of line everything with liner, I think that's where it's going to really pop. I think it's a good idea to get some of this gorgeous yellow to really blur out the inner corner, to give it like that nice little sunset moment. I love to put yellows with all kinds of colors because it just diffuses and really adds a nice little touch. So I'm gonna take that brush again. I'm just gonna dip it into this green and just do my last touches on the bottom. See, now you guys can see the green, put it back color, literally floating, and it's so pretty. It's like that. It's almost like a new version of a money green. We're gonna go in and we're just gonna cut up my lid with some P.LOUISE. If you guys are shopping on P.LOUISE, please make sure you guys are using my code, mama. I can save you some money. It's gonna be code Kimora Blac 10. And you usually put that at the end of the purchase. As you guys know, I use these crease colors religiously. I do not use anything else. And as I have it drying, we're gonna take some of that P.LOUISE and we're gonna go ahead and just color underneath. And this is where I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna correct my lines because sometimes the first try, you guys, you're not gonna get it super straight. And you really wanna make sure it's super straight. And then taking my other brush and we're gonna go into that color from Jeffree's Controversy palette to put it back green. And let's kind of really bring back that pretty glowy green that we loved. So I'm gonna pull out a normal flat brush and I'm just gonna start pressing on a very vanilla shadow color. So I'm just gonna use this one in that Morphe palette. Voila! Wow, I look like what's that Batman character villain with the question mark guy? Alright, so now we're gonna draw a very thin line. And if you guys are wondering, I've been using House Labs liner forever. I mean, look at it. It's just flawless. Now that we have the basics of the shadow and the liner and we have everything set, now we can go back and really start to kind of add certain colors and shades to really make this elevated. I love to take out a thin brush. So this is the Morphe brush. I'm not too sure what this is called. It's from Morphe, but it looks kind of like this. And then dipping into like a dark shade. So because we're using green, I'm gonna use like a very dark green. I like to go back and really define that crease. See that? How it just kind of elevates the crease cut. Let's go ahead and add some on the bottom. Let's connect it with the liner. So really pull out that liner. And we're just gonna bring it here. That's so fucking pretty. I'm so obsessed already. You guys need this brush. I rarely say that, but this brush is everything. So maybe we should add some shimmers. What do you guys think? I think it's kind of fine without shimmer. I'm okay with no shimmers today. So let's go ahead and curl those lashes. Alright guys, so now it is time for lashes. So for today, you guys know I have my particular lashes that I love to wear. But today I want to say a quick shout out to my friends over at Sassy Lashes. You guys can check them out for some new lashes. The packaging is straightforward. There's hearts, there's cute, it's lash. And these lashes that I chose to do today is called the Arabellas. And in the back, it does tell you tips and tricks on how to apply the lash, which I do love because some people probably don't even know how to put on lashes yet, and I understand that. You just really gotta go out there and just put on no fucking lash. This is a pretty lash. And you guys can usually tell which lash goes where. So I actually might want to clamp these. So basically what I do, you guys, is I kind of go take an eyelash curler, take the false lash, and then just really clamp them up by the root. See, so that's kind of like how you would do them. So this is the glue. I'm actually going to use my own glue from TATTI Lashes. I personally don't like to use the white glue. I feel like for me, they don't dry as fast. Oh wow, that is stunning. I actually really do love these lashes. They're like so pretty. Oh my god, I'm like obsessed with these lashes. They're so light and they do this thing where they flare and I'm like really into it. Alright guys, so that is the eye look. I'm totally gagged, so I'm gonna get my highlight on, a lip, and then let's see the final touch with the wig. I'll be right back. Alright bitch. You guys, we did that today. Whew. I love green. Obviously, we are obsessed with the palette. The green is legendary. I think the green should have been in the palette in the first place. Now I know why people are going insane for the green. Hello, look, like what? But you guys, mini controversy, I love it. I love it, I love it. I'm gonna keep it here and just kind of have it ready to go for the next look. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you guys are wanting more looks every single week. But in the meantime, I love you. Have a great weekend and make sure you guys check out Jeffree Star Cosmetics and get your hands on it because I mean they're probably sold out as we speak. So I love you and I'll see you later.